Today we are going to tour the home of Rosie from the Real Housewives of Rhode Island. But before I go any further, g'day, I'm Aussie Tobes and I'm a bold Australian interior designer. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. So Rosie is one of the housewives of the Real Housewives of Rhode Island. I think she's originally from Massachusetts. She used to be a reporter on one of the local channels. She seems like she's a really lovely person. I think she's got the most beautiful hair. She's a very pretty young woman. Let's check out her house.
Hey, BravoTV.com.
Hey.
I'm Rosie Woods from the Real Housewives of Rhode Island. Welcome to my house.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so before we go upstairs, I have to show you my happy place sign. This is my favorite neon sign. I love the greenery and the texture here. I have some more palm tree, and it's just a great place to
So just to give some context, I'm pretty sure she uses that as a background for her YouTube videos or her podcast or whatever. I'm pretty sure she uses that as a background. And would I have that in the front of my house? Probably not. Now, the thing to remember here in Rosie's house is this is actually a temporary house. This isn't her full-time forever home or anything. They're actually building that on the block. I only remember that because that was in one of the episodes. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like in this video. But I do like the fact she's got that greenery there with that beautiful tree. I don't think it's a real tree, but it looks real. But yeah, and I love the mirror. That's gorgeous.
take a look at yourself before you leave the house. And then we go upstairs, you'll see our wedding pictures over to your left.
Very good idea. I love the wedding pictures. That would have been a lovely wedding. Rosie should be like a hair model or something. She's got the most beautiful hair. Put photographs on stairwells, corridors. They're not always like the main focus of everything. It's nice to have them in stairwells and corridors. That's my suggestion. And that's what she's done there. It looks really lovely, very tasteful there.
You'll see some crazy leopard print rug.
Yeah, leopard print rug. Okay. Look, like I said, this is a temporary house. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that one there.
And then we make it all the way upstairs. Welcome to my tiny house. As you can see, this is where we're living while we have a massive construction project going on. This is our kitchen. This is where Rich makes me lots of delicious.
I don't mind that kitchen at all. It's simple. It's straight to the point. It's very functional. It's lovely.
Meals if I'm not eating out. This is where I do most of the editing for my TV show over here.
That is a really, really lovely space. I love everything about it. I am obsessed with that wallpaper. I love the vase with the flowers. I love the chairs. It's very simple.
TV show over here. Our little sit-down area.
Oh, okay. So there's like a sort of safari, retro safari. That's what I'm going to call it.
Areas where me and Rich talked about.
Oh, they're a lovely couple that have very pretty kids if they had kids.
People. I have lots of neon signs. I have lots of disco balls here.
Okay, I can see what she's trying to do. She's got her retro thing. It's probably gone a little bit too neon and a little bit disco. I would probably pull back on that neon sign there and that disco ball. I'd probably put it like that in a hallway or something like that. The disco ball, I don't know where I'd put it. Maybe in the bin. But no, it's still a lovely space. I can see what she's trying to do. She really is trying to do retro jungle or tropical retro. That's the way I'm starting to see this come together. I can see her vision. I do like the wallpaper as well over there behind the TV. I probably wouldn't put a very busy wallpaper like that in future. I would probably suggest a wallpaper that's less busy or maybe a smaller print, just so it doesn't distract you whilst you're watching TV.
Also have my sage. I have my crystals. I like to protect the house. I even have some protection spray over here.
Protection spray. I love it. I think I saw an episode where she and Kelsey had a big fight and I can't remember what it was. And someone got called a slam pig or something and she had to use her protection spray after I think Rosie kicked Kelsey out of the house or something. I loved it.
So you have to spray this.
Oh, there's some more of that lovely wallpaper. I love the mirror and I also love the mobile drink bar. It's gorgeous.
all
It's
the bad guys out.
gorgeous.
I've been spraying it a lot recently.
Mm.
I'm very into the Beverly Hills Hotel, but I put my own spin on it.
Okay, Beverly Hills Hotel with your own spin. Okay, so you're doing a bit of a Hollywood Regency in there as well. Okay, all right.
The
Love
leopard
it.
print
Hollywood
rugs,
Regency,
the palm
yeah.
trees, the disco balls. It's really my thing. But let's go to my bedroom. So this is
Bon chicka bon bon. Okay, as soon as I saw this, like I love every aspect of this room. I love the color. I love the wallpaper. I love the rich and rosy in the neon lights. What I don't like about it is it looks like a brothel. I'm gonna just say what maybe other people might be thinking. And the reason why it looks like a brothel is the neon lights and the leopard print wallpaper. I think that's a peel and stick. If that was real, like I say, real wallpaper, that line where the E on Rosie's name is, that wouldn't look like that at all. Anyone putting wallpaper up would be like, no, do it properly. But yeah, this gives me like brothel vibes. There's a lot going on there. I know a lot of people look at me and go, you can't talk Aussie Tobes. One thing I will give Rosie is it is a temporary house. I do have to remember that, okay? So I don't want to be too much of a prick.
more leopard print, more neon signs.
Looks like a brothel, sorry.
And then if you come in here,
this is like the brothel dress-up room or something.
this is my makeshift glam room right now. It's really just a closet with all of my crazy clothes.
They've obviously, look, it is a makeshift place, and I'll give her that. One thing I don't know if anyone else knows is beautiful wallpaper. Looks like it's got like little sort of gold pebbles in it or something. I love it. I love the white with the gold pebbles on it. That's actually quite nice. And because she likes blingy things, like if you look at all these lovely sort of retro Studio 54 vibe clothes.
It has a lot of my designer bags.
Oh, that's a lovely
shoes,
little setup.
And one tiny section for Rich. He actually has another.
That's a very cute little setup with all her bags. I like that one.
But this is what I'm working with right now as we build our massive dream home. So let's go outside and check it out. All right, guys, let's take a look at the main show right over here. We are in the middle of a 5,000 square foot project where you can see we are going to have a very beautiful home. And when that's all done, we'll start working up here and transform.
I think it's fine. I think it's great. They've got like their little home and they've made it all sort of sexy and all the rest of it. Good on her for having a go and having her own style. I can definitely see where her vision is with this retro. I'm really excited to see where it goes.
From all of that, I'll have to have you back next summer when it's done. But until then, I'll see you.
That was a really lovely tour. Rosie, thank you so much for showing us your lovely home. Yeah, look, overall, it's your vibe. It's you. You've done so well. And I'm really looking forward to this next home that you're building. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Remember, be bold, be inspired, and be Aussie Tobes, and be homeward in your home. And I'll see you in the next video.